In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatfuel with Facebook Messenger. We'll walk through connecting your Facebook page and building your first conversational flow so your Messenger inbox can greet people automatically and guide them to the right information. Start by heading to chatfuel.com and logging in with your Facebook account. Using your Facebook login is important because Chatfuel needs to see which pages you manage so it can attach your chatbot to the right one. If you manage multiple pages, don't worry. You'll be able to select the one you want in a moment. Next, authorize Chatfuel to access your account. You'll see a permissions screen from Facebook. These permissions allow Chatfuel to read and send messages on behalf of your page through Messenger, which is exactly what enables the automation. It's a standard connection, and you can adjust or review permissions in your Facebook settings anytime if you need to. Once authorized, you'll be prompted to choose your Facebook page and connect it. Pick the page where you want the bot to live. Make sure you have admin access to that page, otherwise it won't appear in the list. After you connect, your chatbot is linked to Messenger on that page. That means when someone opens your page on Facebook and taps Message, the bot can greet them and respond based on what you've set up, helping you handle FAQs and simple tasks around the clock. Now it's time to build your chatbot messages. In Chatfuel, go to the Automation or Flows section. This is your workspace for creating the conversation. Think of flows as organized paths the user can follow, and blocks as the individual steps within those paths. Keeping your flows tidy and clearly labeled will make updates much easier later. Begin by editing the welcome message, which is what users see first. This is your first impression, so make it friendly and clear. Briefly explain what your bot can do and offer obvious next steps. For example, you might introduce the bot and prompt users to choose a topic, like hours, pricing, or support, so people understand how to get help right away. From there, add blocks with messages, buttons, or quick replies for common questions. Buttons are great for guiding users from one block to another, while quick replies can capture simple choices or keywords. Keep messages concise, use plain language, and make sure each button leads somewhere useful. Naming blocks consistently will help you keep track of your structure as your chatbot grows. With these essentials in place, your Messenger experience will feel smooth, helpful, and on brand from the very first tap.